Right, well, I said today would be a good day if I got this arrangement put on, so today has been a good day. So I got the thing finished and now running the HHO produced from a cell through the spray nozzle of an oil burner, an oil heating system, and the now run it through this nozzle. Before, when I was trying to run it through a 0.6 or a 0.8mm MIG weld nozzle, such as that, when I started to apply extra air from the pump, it started to blow out and kept extinguishing itself. But with the spray pattern on this nozzle, it allows me to increase airflow to maximum. Well, I have 8 outputs in that pump, so I have quite a bit more left to go, and I believe if you pass the gas over a large surface area and increase the air flowing through it, you can sustain quite a large flame over a large area. So for heating length of a pipe, if you had a long long heater, things like that would work. But I'll show you this going in a minute. Right. Okay. Alright. No. I turn the air on first. I just believe that once the air is running, that takes away, well, hopefully it stops flashbacks, but this is I wasn't able to get a thread tap to match that, so just ended up drilling it out and machining the threads off this here, put it down into the hole and soldered it, and then I cut a slot out of this pipe and bent it round and soldered it, and bubble tested underwater, and it's all working 100%. Okay, so right, this thing's drawn with 33 amps. I guess we had at the start. There we're going around 33, 34. I think there's something possibly burning there. It's running hot enough to sustain the flame like a pilot light. I don't know whether that's something caught in the nozzle, but I'll have to see whether it's burning back through that. But as you can see, here as I turn up the air, I apologise about this camera. That's me going full whack on one of the outputs. I can put all 8 outputs into whatever device I want. Now, what I find the exciting thing is that whenever I made the first one, I was able to cut aluminium, but this one doesn't. I just think it's not hot enough, and that's a good thing. That's what I'm sort of working towards. The flame is definitely cooler than before. I would heat the cans, I don't know how to cut it. Then I could also go down to the shape of the flame nozzle, whatever. Right. Okay. And I don't know whether I'll do it this time, but I had it running for half an hour and I switched it off and the bubbler was still popping away for a good 30-40 seconds after I switched it off, which I find strange. A pencil, I like burning pencils. Pens, but it's not the same. Alright. Switch this off and see what. It's off. Here's the switch. We're still going. That is now. That is off. This is still going, and this is still sustaining a flame. Now, still going. I just find this interesting, you know. Maybe somebody can explain to me why it's still going. And still a flame there. It's the slightest loss in the line. There we go. That's it. We're showing if that's sustaining the flame, it's actually taking quite little hydrogen mixed with the air. Keep going. That's anyway, I'll run for another wee bit, couple seconds till the pressure goes out of the line. And then as soon as I turn the bump off, I'll get, because this here is under pressure right now, you'll get a few bubbles coming out of it. So, let me see. That's the pressure that's been under. Okay, anyway, that's how that's turned out. Interesting, you know, as an experiment. It's some interesting points have come up there. Yes, I can definitely believe I can change the temperature of the flame, which is what I'm working at. Like right now, this here, you know, that's last. They can be rebuilt, they can be improved upon. This is just proof of concept. Does the idea work? Yes, you know, and I can change if I can. I'm not sure whether an optical sensor would read temperature correctly enough for a flame like that, or how I would go about measuring. Although that's again, that's another thought. Anyway, the battery's probably near near done this. I know I'll have to throw it on a charge. But like I say, my power supply, a gas generator at the minute there, just pieces these were just up and running. I could have built better, but I just wanted something made out of as little as possible. And the is this still recording? Yep. And the nozzle was just something I thought that easily accessible, and something that you could purchase anywhere. Although now I'm gonna maybe have a go at grinding back on the face till I get back to the sintered metal and see how it works on that. But again, I'm just experimenting with it to see how this goes. Okay, for now, peace, have fun, enjoy yourselves.